Do you know how we can make fashion more sustainable and closer to new generations? Hi, I'm Francesca Romana Rinaldi. I am Professor of Sustainability and Fashion Management at Bocconi, and today we're going to talk about how to make the fashion industry more sustainable. Sustainability means being able to satisfy current needs without compromising the possibility of future generations to satisfy their own needs. This is the very first definition of sustainability, given in 1987. We will simplify just looking at the point of view of citizens and companies. And these are the 5 things everyone can do. Citizens: buy less, buy better. Try to give priority to products you're going to use for long. But if you're in the mood for something you're not going to use for long, and you already know, then go for second-hand, or upcycle a product you already have in your wardrobe, or rent. Repair the product to prolong its life. France, for instance, just gave a bonus to citizens to repair the products in textiles. Give it away. At the end of life, put the product in a collection bin or give it to a social cooperative. This will help activating the waste resources pipeline. Ask brands who made my product. Ask brands for more traceability and transparency information. This will allow you to make informed decisions. Prefer local shopping. If you're in Milan, go for Made in Italy in a local store. The point of view of companies, what managers in fashion companies can do. Reduce the impact towards the environment, lower amount of water, renewable sources of energy, better raw materials. In other terms, implementing the eco-design principles in the collections. Finding a better balance with all stakeholders involved along the value chain. Assuring no child labor, no excessive working hours, safe working conditions, involving the local territories. Promote diversity in the governance in terms of age, gender, background, so that all the point of views are well expressed at every level of the company. Communicating with transparency without incurring into greenwashing. Substantiating all the sustainability claims with concrete data. Partnership for the goals. Even large companies cannot solve all the issues we have in these complex value chains. Partnership is really needed.